Hello and welcome to Frankly Speaking. Kangana ji, always a delight to meet you.
Thank you.
अब तो 1 साल हो गया है आप मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट जी। जर्नी कैसी रही आपकी?
जी एक्चुअली आई वाज थिंकिंग टुडे कि हमने जो शपथ ली थी वो रेन सेशन में ही ली थी, अगर आपको याद हो तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ होल ईयर ऑफ लॉट ऑफ न्यू चेंजेस एंड स्पेशली जिस ईयर में आप शपथ लेते हो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा पार्लियामेंट सेशंस होते हैं, डबल बजट सेशंस होते हैं, सेशन आफ्टर सेशन, बिकॉज आपने जो भी टाइम लूज किया होता है जस्ट ऑल कम all at once. So I didn't naturally expected it to be so demanding as a job. When I was offered, I was told that maybe you have to odd some 60-70 days you'll have to attend the parliament and rest of the time you can do your work. And I was like that
sounds reasonable.
Reasonable. Lekin as we know now that it's very demanding.
Has it been a good experience? क्योंकि आप जिस रास्ते पे जाते, जैसे आप आर्टिस्ट बनी, आपका चॉइस था और आपने अपने आप को डेवलप किया एंड along the way you got more and more opportunities and आपने एक अपनी जगह बनाई. पॉलिटिक्स में आपको क्या लग रहा है?
See Navika ji, I express myself freely and I think nobody should bully me into not doing so. So
Are you bullied?
Yeah, of course.
As a politician?
It's the most abused corner of the world. You are so abused all the time. There is no right way of doing anything. You're abused all the time for whatever you do. See, coming from any job or any, and I would like to bring this to everybody's notice that is why not many young people volunteer to do this today. Because it is the most abused profession ever.
It's not what you actually were prepared for?
No, the whole the reality कि you're basically, you know, you can't do this. किसी की, for, you know, like that's going viral, just किसी के घर का नाली टूटा and you want to help it, but the fact that you can't. It is a lot to come to terms with. This person, because you are used to of a scenario where you feel.
आपका वो statement viral है कि मैं MP हूँ, मैं नाली पंचायत लेवल का काम नहीं करा सकती.
But it affects you. It affects you when people come with a lot of issues, चाहे वो राज्य सरकार के हो, चाहे वो पंचायत के हो, because that person is crying in front of you, and so far you've had this background. अच्छा, आपको problem है, you know, like the way I've stood by my family, my friends, whoever I meet. आपको छोटे से बबल में लगने लग जाता है कि you know you're very gifted and you can fix problems and you can
do
things for, you know, and then you are in a place where now you're assigned to do it, but you know, like most of it is not is not my scope of work. I can't be concerned with it. और फिर हम लोगों को वो आदत है ना कि कुछ तो बोल देते हैं ना, हाँ हो जाएगा, don't worry, और they know that they're not going to do it. They know it's not going to happen. But when you come from a background where you've made everything happen, where you take a lot of pride in doing things, in delivering
end to end,
and we have those as I'm a filmmaker. I run a set, being a producer, writer, actor, director, and I'm like, I did this. And there's a tutu in Ali, and it's not your scope of work, you know. And all that talk about that you get a Sansad Nidhi, but you know, there are MPs who have like most of them have like 3 to 4 Vidhan Sabhas, and they have like 3 to 4 MPs. I have like 17 Vidhan Sabhas. So each Vidhan Sabha gets like 15 to 20 lakh rupees or 15 to 20 lakhs. Even in that, whatever opposition is misleading people, you can go, आप किसी भी सरकारी वेबसाइट पे जाके देख सकते हैं. We are not supposed to be, there's a long list of things that we're not supposed to give to. We don't give, actually. It comes to the collector and it directly goes to the panchayats, but most of the things we cannot give to, we cannot help, and disaster relief is one of those things. We can't pay to disaster relief.
तो क्या लगता है आपको? ऐसा लगता है कि आप मजबूर हैं, कर नहीं पा रही, या आपने जो समझा था सिचुएशन वैसी नहीं है? क्योंकि बाहर से तो ऐसे लगता है एमपी बनना, वाह क्या शान है, क्या पावर है?
यस, इट इज ट्रू कि एमपी बनने में बहुत पावर है, बहुत ताकत है। और खासकर मेरा जितना इतना हाई प्रोफाइल करियर रहा है, द काइंड ऑफ प्लेस आई हैव एंजॉयड। आज आप देखिए, जब मेरा नाम अनाउंस हुआ था तो लोगों ने क्या कहा, मंडी कैसी, मतलब
क्या भाव?
फ्लैश बिकने वाली मंडी। तो इसका मतलब कहीं लोगों को ज्ञान भी नहीं था मंडी के बारे में। उससे लेकर आज वहां पे एक गांव में त्रासदी होती है, पूरा देश डिस्कस कर रहा है। सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ attention one can bring to a small sort of a constituency. It's not a small, but I mean a small state, constituency in a small state. So I definitely think that हम लोग मजबूर नहीं हैं, लेकिन what I was not ready for is that there is it is a very structured work. जैसे डीसी का अपना काम होता है, एंड एनएचआई का अपना होता है, वो राजमार्ग का अपना होता है, मतलब एवरी रोड इज डिवाइडेड इनटू लाइक इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड वर्क, एंड इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ एजुकेशन फॉर एनीबडी जिसने कुछ भी सरकारी, कभी कोई सरकारी दफ्तर भी, आई थिंक द ओनली थिंग आई बीन टू सरकारी दफ्तर इज प्रोबेबली फॉर पासपोर्ट और समथिंग।
सो टेल मी, you were not made a minister, you're an achiever in your own right. कहीं बुरा लगा?
Well, the kind of profile that I come from, okay, I am a filmmaker, I am a writer, I am an author, I also have fourth highest civilian honor, I am a Padma Bhushan. So in that context, I just felt that I have done a lot for the party, and I've also won a very difficult seat, for like for a very, it was a very long campaign for me, क्योंकि मेरी वोटिंग भी सबसे लास्ट फेज में थी। तो I did expect to get a portfolio. I thought that I should have got.
सच बोलना आसान नहीं होता ना पॉलिटिक्स में?
I mean, I'm not comfortable with that. वो बंदी मेरे को देख के गई है और उसकी आंखों में वो होप थी कंगना करवाएगी। मैं उसको बोलती हूँ, मैंने कहा ये मेरा काम नहीं है, आप प्लीज बजाय, मैं उनको अपनी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भेजती, इनको आप सही जगह पे लेके जाइए, वो काम करवाइए, मुझसे जो होता है मैं करती हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम।
तो आप क्विंटेसेंशियल पॉलिटिशियन नहीं बन पा रही हैं, मतलब जो इतने अपफ्रंट और सच बोलते हैं, शायद वो।
No, what is a quintessential politician? A quintessential politician
हाँ बोल,
is
जो सबको बोलते हैं हाँ हो जाएगा, लेकिन करते कुछ नहीं है, वो
they are bekar people. They are liars. If you are a genuine person, if you're an authentic person, sooner or later people will recognize that. शुरू में सबने क्या बोला, कंगना तो ऐसे बोलती है, सब अपने सब सच बताती है, बाद में they figured that no, she's an authentic person.
Does your party value you?
Does my party value me? What is valuing? I don't understand. Like I'm like,
you know what I mean by valuing, कि कंगना है, काम कर रही है, जा रही है, सपोर्ट सिस्टम है कि नहीं है? हर टीम में एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम होता है ना, हर इंडिविजुअल के साथ।
If I were in the place of my seniors, my superiors, I would do exactly. I would keep every young leader the way I am kept.
Which is how?
Just they are just letting me do my thing.
Frustrating sometimes.
Absolutely.
चिट्ठी लिख रही हूँ मैं.
Absolutely frustrating, and also because it's a very, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि politics, it's a very expensive hobby. It's a very expensive hobby. Like of course they give you some money.
Politics is a hobby.
Obviously.
Not a profession.
If you are an MP, you can't have it as a profession, because you need a job. You need a job. You can't. If you're an honest person, if you're not trying to do some. You need.
सब हेरा फेरी करते हैं.
Look, I'm not here to make a judgment on anybody, but what I've experienced and the way I functioned, I come from a very successful career as an artist, and I understand that जो भी आपको यहाँ पे सैलरी मिलता है to maintain cook and driver and so what you are left with is actually 50,000-60,000 rupees is your salary as an MP. And if I have to go to my constituency with some representation here and some PAs from here, some 3-4 cars. One, the expenses are in lakhs because one place from other is 300-400 kilometers minimum. So, so you understand that it is a very expensive hobby. You have to, you need a job because a lot of MPs have businesses. They're working as lawyers, and they are not, even the people like who have come before me, Javed Akhtar ji, they kept doing their work. You've got to work. You can't.
What do you think about the recent developments? Operation Sindoor, and then there comes a film by Diljit Dosanjh, Sardar 3, and he works with a Pakistani actor. What's your view on that?
Operation Sindoor has been a remarkable victory for India. First of all, I think that has been.
But लोग कहते हैं कि Trump ने सब कुछ कराया.
It's been tremendous on our part, on India's part, on our leadership's part. The way they've led us through this.
That's what Rahul Gandhi says. Narendra surrender.
The opposition को किस न किस तरह का जुमला तो चाहिए. So I personally feel that nobody is buying into that. Nobody is buying into that. Trump, जो भी है. I mean, I've also been a big supporter of Trump earlier, but the way he's going now, I personally feel that he has just messed up in so many places, even in his own country.
और उसके बीच में एक इंडियन अगर पाकिस्तानी एक्टर के साथ काम करे, is that kosher?
I've said enough about these people, जो कि एक, अगर आपको याद हो मेरी कॉन्वर्सेशन आपके साथ जहां पे शुरू हुई थी, that we need to have, essentially we need to have the sentiment of nation building. Everybody is a stakeholder. Why don't we have that sentiment? Why one Diljit is having his own path? Why somebody else is having his path? Cricketers are having their own dosti. Somebody is having this. Bichara Sainik is having the path of nationalism. Bichara politician is having the path is nationalism. Some JNU having their own agenda. Somebody is having their. See, I'm not saying it is unnatural, but we must try to align everybody. We must try to align, and वो तभी होगा जब हम ये लोगों में ये धारणा लाएंगे कि भाई इसे पॉलिटिशियंस का काम नहीं है देशभक्ति, आपका भी काम है.
I want to do a rapid fire round. You remember last time भी हमने किया था.
Fun round. आजादी.
Just because you are an MP doesn't mean you have to be serious all the time. So let's have a fun round. Acting or politics? Career preference क्या है कंगना का?
Filmmaking.
The politics रास नहीं आया.
Well, politics right now is something that can't be my mainstream thing. I have to feed my, I have to run my house. I have to, look, I need a job.
Which is less forgiving, film industry or politics?
Less forgiving. I think. I think film industry is less forgiving. Yeah. But they have very small. What I see from people in politics, not from my experience, but I see सब घोटाला करके फिर से जीतते रहते हैं. They have very short span of memory. You see now in Bihar also how much घोटाला charges, how much hate, how many jail years and सब कुछ फिर वापस. They're quite forgiving. Whereas in film industry, once you flopped, some people have managed to make a comeback.
Is Kangana eyeing a cabinet position anytime soon?
Eyeing, as in everybody wants to grow. If I get into definitive direction into politics, I would want to be a politician, a full-time politician. So it won't be very wrong to say that I want to grow into this field.
Arvind Kejriwal says he deserves a Nobel Prize. What do you think about that?
Nobel Prize?
For providing governance with so much opposition from the BJP, from the LG.
Really, he said that.
He said that.
I have nothing to say that. It's a competition between Trump and Kejriwal.
Do you think Prime Minister Modi should get?
Of course he should get. He should totally get. Living in such a volatile country where we are surrounded by so many hostile neighbors, and then we have so much diversity, and then for him to reset so many of areas of Kashmir or Arunachal and all of that, it's not easy to be the Prime Minister of India right now, and it has never been, but more so right now. But with the kind of efficiency, stability and consistency that he has done, he for sure deserves a Nobel Prize.
Last question. You always stood against nepotism in the film industry. Is there nepotism in politics?
In our party? No, I don't think. In our party there is no nepotism. भारतीय जनता पार्टी में कोई nepotism नहीं है. यहाँ पे बहुत ही जो भी जिनको भी मैं जो मिलती हूँ और जिस तरह से भी लोगों को मैं मिलती हूँ, आई एम shocked to see their backgrounds. It's really heartwarming to see. मेरी constituency में MLAs हैं जिनके पिताजी इलेक्ट्रिशियन हुआ करते थे, कोई किसान हुआ करते थे. हमारे जो खुद नेता प्रतिपक्ष हैं जयराम ठाकुर जी, बर्फ में नंगे पैर स्कूल जाया करते थे, जूते नहीं होते थे उनके पास. ऐसे इंसान का चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना, क्या लगता है आपको कौन सी पार्टी कर सकती थी ऐसा? कोई, मतलब उनके लोहार हुआ करते थे उनके पिताजी. तो ये जो काम है इसे भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर सकती है, और इसलिए वी टेक सो मच प्राइड इन आवर पार्टी.
राहुल गांधी के बारे में कुछ आपका इंप्रेशन देंगे?
ओह गॉड.
अच्छा, 1 year में what's the impression? He's the LOP. What's your impression of Rahul Gandhi?
You know what? If I have to say what I feel, it will be so harsh. It will be so harsh. I don't want to be that harsh, because now, unlike before, I have to face him in the parliament. Unlike before, I have to now see him in the parliament. I think सच्चाई यही होगी, and he's totally, I mean, in our favor, because as long as he's there, he will always be in the opposition. He will always be in the opposition. Having said that, for the sheer, जो हमारे जो नेता हैं, प्रधानमंत्री जो हैं, जो इनका ऑरा है, जो उनका पुरुषार्थ है, जो उनका पराक्रम है, वो for the sake of that, I think he deserves a better opponent.
He deserves a better opponent. Well, on that note, as they say, देखेंगे आगे आगे क्या होता है. First anniversary as a member of parliament. Thank you very much, Kangana Ranaut, and
thank you for the conversation.
To more realistic conversations with you in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me on Frankly Speaking.